Today, I'm going to walk you through how to set up an effortless intake process using forms in ClickUp. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to collect project requests in a smooth, organized way and share them easily, so your team never misses important details or gets overwhelmed by messy emails and notes. Let's jump right in and make your workflow smarter. So first things first, we need to get to your ClickUp workspace. If you're already logged in, just navigate to your sidebar and find your list of workspaces. Think of your workspace as your home base. It's where all your projects, tasks, and processes live. Once you're in the right space, you'll want to select the specific project you're working on or want to gather intake forms for. This helps keep everything tidy and ensures your incoming requests don't end up mixed with unrelated tasks. Just click on your project and you're ready for the next step. Now let's set up the intake form itself. Look for the View button near the top right corner of your project screen. When you click that, you'll see a few different view options. These are ways of organizing or displaying your tasks. For intake, we want to collect information directly, so choose the Form view. This is one of the most powerful features in ClickUp for automating and streamlining new project requests. Once you've created a form view, it's time to customize it for your project intake process. ClickUp sometimes offers template forms. Here you'll want to pick Project Intake. This gives you a ready-made structure specifically designed for gathering the most relevant information for new projects, so you don't have to start from scratch. With your project intake form ready, the next thing you'll do is type in the project name field. This may seem simple, but having a clear project name right from the start makes tracking and sorting super easy later on. If you're collecting requests from a team or even external clients, encourage them to use a descriptive title, like 2024 Marketing Launch instead of just New Project. Names matter more than you think for keeping organized. Next, fill out the project details section. Think of this as your chance to get all the important background info. Imagine someone is handing you a brief for a job. You want to know what's needed, deadlines, objectives, maybe even a few specific requirements. Don't rush here. Clear, thorough details set the tone for the rest of the project and minimize back and forth questions later. Now, set the priority of the project in your form. This might be as simple as choosing between low, medium, and high priority, depending on your workflow. Giving projects a priority level up front means your team can tackle urgent requests quickly and avoid bottlenecks on less urgent ideas. If you're not sure what priority to assign, don't sweat it. Just make your best guess, and you can always update this later as needs change. Before you share your form, you'll want to preview it to make sure everything looks good. ClickUp displays a preview of how your intake form will appear to others. Take a moment here, read through the questions, check for typos, and imagine you're filling it out yourself. Is everything clear and easy to understand? This step only takes a minute or two, but it can make a big difference in how smoothly your intake process goes. If something feels confusing, tweak the form now. It's much easier than having to fix things later. Okay, once your form has passed the final check, you're ready to share it. Look for the copy link option, one click, and you have a shareable link to your intake form. You can send this link via email, post it to Slack, share in a team chat, or even put it in your social media bios if you get outside requests. The access is totally up to you, and ClickUp makes it really convenient to distribute your form wherever people are most likely to see it. And that's it. You've set up a smooth, professional intake process using ClickUp Forms. Now requests will land right where you want them, organized and ready to go. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and drop a comment down below if you have any questions or want to share your own intake process tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more ClickUp guides and productivity tutorials. I've got lots more coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.